Hi, the question statement is from the top of a 7 meters high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Now we shall represent the given question in a diagrammatic way. Okay. AB represents the length of the building, which is given as 7 meters, and also CD represents the length of the tower, which we have to find out. And okay, AB will be generally 90 degrees, nothing but length of the building will be perpendicular to the ground, and also the tower will be also with the ground, it will be perpendicular. So from here we can conclude that ABDE is a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal and the parallel. So AB is 7 meters. Now DE also becomes 7 meters. Along with this, we also have angle of elevation, nothing but EAC is equal to 60 degrees, and angle of depression EAD, that is nothing but 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the given data. So okay, DC is the length of the tower which we need to find out. Okay, in order to, now I am splitting this total DC in CE and CD. I am assuming the length CE as H. Okay, now I am taking triangle AEC and applying trigonometric ratio. Now in triangle AEC, tan 60 is equal to CE divided by AE. As we know that tan theta is equal to length of the opposite side to theta divided with adjacent side. Now we also assume that the length of CE as H, so I am substituting the value H in place of CE and keeping AE as it is. Okay, now we also know that tan 60 is the value of tan 60 is √3. So √3 is equal to H by CE. Okay, fine. Now let us move to the triangle AED, because we know in the triangle AED we know the length of ED. So in triangle AED, same again applying trigonometric ratio in triangle AED. If I do that, then I will get tan 30 degrees is equal to same opposite length divided by adjacent length. Here opposite length, which is nothing but DE divided with AE. From the given data, we know that length of DE is equal to 7 meters and the value of tan 30 is 1 by √3. Substitute this data in the above expression. When we do that, we will get 1 by √3 is equal to DE, that is nothing but 7 divided by AE. So now AE is equal to 7 into √3. I am substituting the value of AE in the equation 1. Now we know that the value of AE is 7 √3. Now putting this value 7 √3 in the diagram. If I substitute the value of AE in equation 1, I will get root 3 is equal to h divided by 7 root 3. Now I am transposing the value 7 root 3 in the which is in the denominator to the LHS. When I do that, I will get 7 root 3 into root 3 is equal to h. So finally h is equal to 7 into 3, nothing but 21. So the value of h is equal to 21. But in the question they ask the value of height of the tower. The height of the tower is represented as CD, but CD we split it as CE and ED. Now CE plus ED. The length of CE is h, nothing but we got that 21, and ED is 7. So finally the length of the tower is 28 meters. So thank you. I hope this answered your question. Let's crack.